Here, looky here, guys. 5-hat trigger. $210 trigger. Here we go. Come on, hats. Come on, give me the middle gold. Middle gold. We need some hats. Need some hats. There you go. Come on, we need some more hats. We need a couple gold ones. Need a couple gold ones. Come on, hats. Can I get some hats? Hat. Help us with the hats, please. Oh man, we need a tiger.
We need at least one gold hat.
I need 3 hats for a re-trigger. Oh, come on, 1 gold hat. Give us a trash to the grand. 1 gold hat. Oh, you poop head. Oh, you poop head. Yeah, 1 gold hat. We got 1 chance at the grand. Want to hear music, Green. Music. Come on, music. Music, grand. I'll take it. Mini for 50. Not a bad bonus. The trigger gave us 400 and we got, these are nickels on a $3 bet. Alright, that's pretty good. I'll take it. 7,730 nickels on a $3 bet.